again. In this video I will finish the last part in 2D. So I clicked the command polygon as you see, and I'm about to design the side of the garden. So of course the parking of the side of the garden. So I will finish this part and enter, and you will see in 3D the difference between this polygon and another done by the command plzz. So as you see, I use this cube to translation to 3D, and I click to the different point of the cube to see the good position for the start the design. I select the rezoom here to zoom this object. I place this cube here, and I start to and I define the good position, and I start for to extrusion this display. So the first I select this polygon, and I precise the higher answer, and I have this other result. So I repeat, I will do extrusion, and I defined the higher for the extrusion, and I click enter. I do the same thing with the other side, and for the internal side I will specify the high. So I repeat extrusion, and I specify a high for 800 meters. So I do the same thing with the other side. So extrusion, and we have the other side. So now try to extrusion the south bar. So as you see, I use the same high for the south bar, and enter. And of course I will extrusion the side here. So as you see, you can consider the difference between a closed surface that's made by the polygon. When we extract, we have this result. So it's different than a polygon that it made by the command PEDIT. So the difference, it's remark in the 3D design, but in 2D it's similar. So I extrusion the other limits. So I click to all the limits that I have here, this piece and this other piece, and extrusion, enter. So I finished the extrusion of the limits of garden. Now what I will do, it's the input of the garden. So the input of the garden will be different than the side. So it will be have a little difference. We must have a little difference in the input. So I copy the object that I use for the side, and I place here for to have in the input. So I place in to have in this position. So I think it's good. So enter, and I will do some difference in the appearance. So I click to this object, I select this cone of the rectangle, so I make it in this part the same thing. As you see, we define here other object from the first, so I do the real show and I have this result. So see you for the next video.